Hey there YouTube, we have another unboxing review for you. Trunk cargo mat for Tesla Model 3 Max 232263. Guess what just showed up on the porch today? The trunk cargo mat from partscatalog.com for the Tesla Model 3 2017-2018 model Max 232263. So let's get this thing opened up, see what we've got. Ordered this back in November, just got it recently, actually just got it today. Been expecting it for a while now. The only concern I had was the size of the box. Looks like it has to be folded over a couple times in order for it to fit in this box. Hopefully that doesn't cause any problems. Take a look here. Okay, it looks like it has the same wrapper as my floor mats. If you don't have the floor mats from partscatalog.com, they are fantastic. Looks like the same material that we've got here. Even the backing actually looks to be about the same. And there's that crease. Good. That's perfect because that's, I'm hoping, where the deck lid for the undercargo storage will fold. And that backing looks like that's going to stay put. And the front looks just like the floor mat material that I've got. I'll show you that here in a minute. If you're not familiar with the floor mats, they are the same material. I'll give you a closer look here. But it is a textured rubber surface. And it looks like it'll fold right there on that seam. So yeah, I'm definitely, so far, definitely satisfied. Let's see how this will fit. I'm hoping that it fits just like the floor mats. And it still gives me that ability to store some cargo in that cubby area there on the left side. So this should work out rather well. Let me bring the camera in a little closer here to show you what I'm doing and just how well this fits. Alright, that'll do it. And we'll slide this in here. Now I know that if you fold the edges up, let me get you back here a little bit, but if you fold the edges up and then lay the center flat first and then the edges down, you'll get a flatter fit with these floor mats, I know for sure. I'm not too worried about that right now. I just want to see how the edges align and how well they fit. Looks like it dropped right in so far. Focus down here, and the loop to pull up the cargo deck folds right through the mat. Hang on just a minute here. I'll grab the camera and give you a closer view of just how this thing's fitting in here. But so far it looks good. I'm really satisfied with the way that fits, actually. Yep, let me give you a closer look. Yeah, that back corner, I'm not too worried about that. I think that's just where it was folded in the box. I think that'll sit down. There's a little bit of rise to it, maybe half inch, quarter inch. Not a big deal at all, but the rest of this feels like it's fitting down really tight. I mean, edge to edge looks like it's very solid. Really glad to see that. Yeah, even down here on the side, they got the dimensions down, that's for sure. And that seam right there, I'm going to say that's probably where this deck lid will fold and allow that mat to fold with it. The heck, right around the edges here, everything looks good. Back right corner is down solid. The rest of it looks really, really good. Yeah, I'm impressed. Guys, I'd say this is a good buy. Back there in the corner, you can see my jack pads. That's another video I have. I did jack pads for this vehicle for 20 bucks. Parts anyway. Let's fold this up and see where that crease bends. Perfect. That is right where it should crease. Try this again here. Try this 6 or 7 times before somebody comments in the comments that I did this too many times, but I really wanted to see how it was hitting on the edges, and looks like it's hitting, but it's still dropping all the way back down. Yeah, so far so good. And it drops right back down where it should. Excellent. Where's that damn sticker? I gotta cut that off. Anyway, guys, I think this is a really good buy. It's right around 100 bucks, 110 bucks shipped. If you haven't seen the floor mats yet, I can show you those, but they look a lot like this trunk mat, which that's always a bonus too, if you can get those to match, right? Not that anybody's going to notice, but still same kind of quality. I'll show you those floor mats here. Now the lighting's not real good, but if you've seen these floor mats, they actually have a texture to them. They're not the smooth rubber, just like the trunk mat. And they look just like it. I'll go back here and show you the back of it here one more time. This is it, guys. The trunk cargo mat by partscatalog.com, MAX 232263. Thanks for watching.